thought I was streaming the whole time. Oh my god. I'm not. I wasn't even streaming. I built out, I think, about like a quarter of what I wanted this to do app to be. But so far what we have here is we have the ability to log out. We can continue, or we can have users log in using Google. Or to log in, I see a test. I could hear myself. That was scary. All right. I'll close this. Okay. Yeah. What was I saying? Where's my OBS? Oh, that's scary. I didn't mean for that. My apologies. But what we currently have here is we have the ability to add tasks. So if I were to type in, this is, actually I'm going to delete all of these ones so far that we made so far. If I go into here, delete tasks, there's deleted, but we still have all of our user data here. Now, if I go back into here, I refresh this, there shouldn't be a task there, but this is task 1. It doesn't load in immediately. And even if I do refresh it, let's remove this question mark here. If I were to refresh it, it still doesn't bring it up, but it is saved right here. So now what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to figure out how I can get that to just work as intended, or as we usually would expect. If I were to, this is task number 2, I add, we should be able to see it, but we can't. I'm trying to figure out why that's the case. So it pulls in the tasks, but it's only showing me 1, which makes no sense. And if I were to go into here, okay, let's just say we don't care for that. Oh. Refresh. Still nothing. That's so weird. That's so weird. Okay, let's just look at the structure of that once again. So after this is done, I want it to so it's empty. Even after we set it? Yeah. That's exactly how I had expected it to be. Oh. Takes that data. Yeah, that's how it should be. A refresh. What would I call for here? So we have to gather all of that data if users. We have two use effects here. I don't want them to be in the same place here, but if user and then ah. User task. Doesn't make any sense. I'll be right back.
Is this Mundo? Is this Mundo?
Thought it through. Still got nothing. Now, still say loading, even though these tasks should have been pulled up. Maybe it's the way that I'm requesting it. And by maybe, it's most definitely the way that I'm requesting it. This might not be it. Wasn't these? As for these. The editing portion should be easy, right? I think I'm gonna make each card like have their own component. That makes it a little bit easier, but for now, to ensure that these have their own unique IDs, quote unquote. They most definitely do. All right, I'm calling for Copilot. It's gonna be the same thing. I just know it. What? Oh. Set user tasks. Okay. Let's refresh this. Same thing. Thank you, Copilot. What? Wait, hold up. What's the difference? Okay. Should I remove this? Get rid of this. Get rid of this. Refresh this. Current task. What's there? Thank you so much, Copilot. Delete this collection. Let's go back into here. If we were to refresh this, we should have nothing. But when we add a task, I also wanted to reload the page, so Windows. It's kind of ugly. Give me the most barbaric way that I could do this. Oh, it works. That's good. Let's go back to here. I want to see how bad the usage was then. 8. Oh, that's crazy. That's insane. Let's get back. Now I want to create a delete button. So after we could delete the we delete those. Delete document and update document. So now I need 2 icons that kind of look like yeah, 2 icons, one a trash bin and another one. Wait, have I done the completed task yet? No, I haven't. So completing a task. Oh, wait, hold up. I'm gonna need 2 tabs here. So get users, tasks, and Yeah, so a snapshot's going to go through the whole thing, like no matter what. So if I do if doc data dot completed, we go back into our tasks. We can pick one random one and then turn this to true. Actually, I'm going to pick one that's actually written in English, which is none of them. I'm just going to change this. This is a real task. Let's get back into here. If we refresh this. Perfect. So we have 5 tasks here. I'm going to set this to true. If I go back into here and I refresh, that right there should be gone. Perfect. Okay. So that's gone, and const get users. Actually, wait, we can keep it within the same thing. That would have been stupid of me. Else, and we get back into here, task list. Const. I wrote links. That's stupid. And push. I'm just gonna go about the exact same method here and set. Do I have? No, I don't. Const. What I have planned for this is wait, why can't I see the chat? Issues, streaming issues. No. If I just pop this out. Perfect. No, I can just. Alright. That's gonna be an issue for later. But. Okay. What was I doing now? Yeah, I'm gonna add a completed task, but I do have to have a way to complete tasks, so do. I'm gonna make this as simple as possible rather than it being something crazy and elaborate. And I want this to be flex. Justify space between. Class name. This right here, we're gonna still have it be flex. And base X, we'll have that be 2. And I need icons, so React icons. I promise I don't regularly headbutt my keyboard when I'm typing, but edit. Since I'm already going to be creating a component, I might as well just do that now. So, tasks. Maybe we can go back into here. What was it again? It was tasks. So right here. Go back into here. Import. It's going to have an issue. It's going to be confused. It doesn't know what we're passing to it. So props. Oh. Back into here. Props. Prop that. User task. Should work, but it doesn't. And I don't know why. So it returns this. It says it doesn't even call for it. Try to go back into here. Task card. I'm so confused. Why doesn't it call for it? It knows that it's here. Props, title. Yeah, it knows it's there. I mean, at least it should know that it's there, right? If I go back to here, it doesn't. Perfect. Okay, cool. Now we get back into here. If we were to do, and wait, we have that just be the ID. Doesn't back into here, user task equal to user task, and this right here will be. It doesn't know that. Props title. So user task. Cool. Good. That right there works. And then we could have this icon just pop up on the side. And what are the other ones that we need? I want a check mark and a delete one. So here, delete. But I want it to be from the same group. Or is it font awesome? Was it font awesome 5? So this is tough. Yeah, okay. Perfect. Delete. Trash. Perfect. Okay. Put that here and go back into here. We have that. And I also want a check mark. Check mark will be for for completing a task, and then all the other ones are pretty self-explanatory. I mean, check mark was obviously self-explanatory too, but class name. Actually, want these to be a bit bigger. And we're gonna add more space to that. The trash can looks a bit weird. Yeah, we'll move away from that. And I'm gonna have to pass in separate functions into these, so and they have their IDs, right? Or am I tripping? Go back into here, add new task. Comes up with its own unique ID. If we get back to here, doc ID. We want to keep the IDs with them though. we have here is the yeah, we don't have the ID, we don't have the ID with it. Document ID, and then oh, I did that for the completed task. I didn't do it for this one. Did nothing, but maybe if I all I've done was cause more problems for myself. All I've done is cause more problems for myself. All I've done was cause more problems for myself. Wait. I think to prevent myself from going crazy, I'm gonna look at some horrible looking websites. I think I had a list of them already set up here. Just see. No. Nope. Reddit. Let me see if I'm not blocking anything here. I'm not. I do want to be a bit bigger. Looks good. So is it optional? Let me see this. So is it optional or not? Earphone is required. Optional. Oh, that's horrible. SRT converter, sorry, free online SRT. It's tough. Okay. What the hell is this? Hello and welcome to this website. As you can see, I like to abuse CSS. Most websites have text and images and generated by AI in a world of code and web embrace. I don't know if I can look at that any longer. That's tough. Wait, why was it so small? This is for phone, right? That overall just sucks. Optional, this field is required. That's took me 5 minutes of troubleshooting to remove the bloody Google pop-up. What the hell is this? Hold up. Our mail order department is open from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Monday to Friday, and answer phone if you need us to telephone you back. It's on. Ring us, we want your business. What scares me is that this right here could have been fine in like 2004. Now it's like I'm looking at it, I'm like, even though this is a video, I'm afraid to press anything. Look at that. Look at that monstrosity right there. Like, I aim to build something this bad. I can't look at it any longer. Let me see. No. I didn't even read it. We're just hopping in. Guess this is Mozilla Firefox, or just Firefox now. My apologies. Ugh. Ew. Start.gg. What the hell is this? Oh wait, I think I've actually signed up for a tournament here. I played horribly in it, but see, it's not that bad. Nothing is formatted correctly. There's a scroll wheel. When was this posted? A year ago? Yeah, it's not that bad. Selecting language is a drop-down field with every country in the that stuff. TikTok showing people I don't follow in my following section. Okay. What the hell is that? Use your mouse on the virtual keyboard below to enter your password. It's all caps. Wait, is there a caps lock? No, there is no caps lock. You must have a problem. Okay. Are you having any problems with the following, or would like more improvement with trouble focusing, can't finish tasks, disorganized, trouble multitasking, excessive activity, or relentlessness, depressive mood, fatigue, avoidance, interrupting others, losing focus too early in the day? What? Why is it grouped like this? Why is there a space between every three? Okay. I think I've seen this one before. 0 contracts in 3 months, 0 closed deals, $0 in revenue in the past 3 months. Want results like these? Pick a time and chat. That's tough. I feel like I've seen this before in a dream. I'm gonna get back to my work. Should I put this down? Okay, where were we at? So yeah, we're trying to get the ID to be pushed with it, but it seems like that's more of an issue. Pulls these in, it pulls each of them in. We're able to state the document's ID. You know what? Wait, no. So we already have the document's ID. Right. Right. I think. Hope. Completed task. Okay, perfect. So we do have it. If we were to put it in here. Back into here. Yep. Okay, so it says them all here, but okay, I see. I see where I went wrong the first time, but uh, where's add task? Get back into here. Task ID. Task ID. We could just do that. Now get back into here and then just delete all of these because y'all are faulty now. We'll get back into here. Refresh this. Hello. Okay, great. Let me just remove all of these. Okay, let's head back to here. Log props dot user task. The ID should be here now. Perfect. Okay, so it is there. And I want to create functions. I should have just created a helper folder. This would have made my life extremely easy. But we're already in too deep. So add what I will do though. So I will, or utilities. In this case, we're gonna need these. It'll be about the same as this here. We're gonna make some minor changes to it. Mm. Oh, forgot about the props. Okay, cool. That worked, but now I want this to wait, do we send out that change there? I don't know if I could do the animations I wanted to do before. And we could do completed task. Let's go into here. And in this case, we just want to update the update doc. The structure of that, I don't want to mess it up here. Follow the same structure here, but in this case, it's going to be true, and we don't need this anymore. And edit. Edit's going to be a bit confusing. complete. Oh. It's going to use the same. Perfect. So, wait, if I go back into here, have this, I should have 2 tasks here, or 1. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Okay, so if we, update. Okay, right now, if I go back, it should say all this here, completed, false. Yep, perfect. Now, we hit complete. Go back into here. Now it's set to true. If I refresh this, gone. Now, the edit task, I think the only thing we'll edit is the how am I going to make this even messier? I have no clue, but I'm going to take a snack break. I'll be back. Couldn't Perfect. Got myself some food now. I don't know if I get copyright stricken for watching a YouTube video on YouTube while I stream on YouTube. But I need something to watch. I'm gonna watch something. Gotta find something to watch first. Uh, oh, okay. Mm.
Even worse was a business card shared to Reddit reading, "Are you an alcoholic? We can help," although they weren't offering counseling, but rather an alcohol delivery service. In all seriousness, I assume it's just a bad translation and meant, "Do you enjoy alcohol? We can help," but yeah, really should have run that by a native speaker first. In that very same year, British supermarket Tesco found themselves in the infamous horse meat scandal, where one of their burgers was found containing 29% horse meat. Well, only 2 days after the scandal broke, Tesco tweeted, "It's sleepy time, so we're off to hit the hay. See you at 8 AM for more Tesco tweets." And the replies weren't too pretty. "You're hitting the hay? Well, I suppose the poor horses don't need it anymore." Maybe hitting the hay wasn't the best choice of words right now. Plenty of room on the hay now that we've eaten all the horses. Tesco responded by tweeting, "I'm terribly
So
sorry."
wild.
That tweet was scheduled before we knew of the current situation. We'd never intend to make light of it, and in case this wasn't bad enough, Tesco then had to scrap a segment of its latest advert as it was due to include images of a horse. The horse was apparently said to be used in a humorous context, but while Tesco was simply a victim of bad timing, recipe website Epicurious was a victim of bad thinking. shocking, because after the Boston Marathon bombing, they'd post 2 insane tweets. In honor of Boston and New England, may we suggest whole grain cranberry scones. Boston, our hearts are with you. Here's a bowl of breakfast energy we could all
They doubled down.
today. The
Oh god, they doubled
we
down.
shared to a media training website which wrote, "Get your legs blown off by a terrorist, try these scones. Lose a cherished friend, maybe this bowl of breakfast energy can help," which then turned into articles by Mashed and Business Insider, as Epicurious was labeled by the public, morons, idiots, dickheads, and pathetic. The company responded with a copy and paste apology, leading to more criticism reading, "A repeatedly tweeted template apology isn't genuine. It's a form letter. The steady stream of identical tweets does nothing to engage with the audience and express human remorse, but were Epicurious's tweets as bad as Kenneth Cole's? Millions are in uproar in Cairo. Rumor is they heard our new spring collection is now available online, although the uproar had actually come from protests in Egypt, where 846 people were killed." Kenneth Cole quickly apologized before making the same mistake only 2 years later. In response to the Syrian civil war, he'd tweet, "Boots on the ground or not, let's not forget about sandals, pumps and loafers," sneakily advertising his new line of shoes. On a public billboard, Kenneth mocked the Hudson River crash landing, but at least he had the decency to avoid September 11, unlike this TV commercial by the Worldwide Nature Fund. It began by explaining in 2001, one of the worst tragedies in the history of humanity killed 2,819 people, before showing a bunch of other planes to articulate that in 2005 the tsunami killed 280,000 people. That's
Why make it so comparative?
The message of the ad was that our planet is brutally powerful, yet it felt like they were minimizing the severity of 9/11 to highlight a natural disaster that couldn't have been avoided. Not only is the message offensive, but it's scientifically flawed. All the carbon reductions and recycling in the world won't prevent tsunamis. Advertising double fail. The commercial was so offensive the WWF tried to claim it did not authorize its production or publication, yet there was another 9/11 ad that was somehow even worse. It began to circulate in September 2013 and showed
Oh my God.
flying toward 2 foot-long subs, which you could buy for a price of $9.11.
Oh my God.
The ad was captioned with 2 pieces of text. "Fly on in for September 11th, and you will never forget this deal." But was the ad actually legitimate? Well, no. It was the work of satirical news site The Onion, which wrote, "From the structural steel melt on Tower 7 grain bread to the Twin Towers cold cut combo with ground zero carb vinaigrette on Let's Whole Wheat Roll, we've got something for everybody this September 11. Despite clearly being a joke, a man named Travis tried to cash in on the deal, printing the ad to bring to his local Subway, which they unbelievably accepted."
Is that a good coupon or no? It's a good coupon? It's good? Okay.
He and his friend were totally baffled,
Dude, I can't believe they did that.
even showing their receipt to prove they hadn't lied. If the coupon itself wasn't hilarious enough, the fact that Subway accepted it as a legitimate coupon had me rolling on the floor. Subway, however, wasn't impressed. Like everyone, we are deeply offended by the fake story and ad created by The Onion. The story received coverage in a Sydney Morning Herald article, which highlighted another 9/11 deal that was instead completely genuine. The now closed Tumbledown Trails Golf Club in Wisconsin posted this newspaper ad reading 12th anniversary of 9/11. To commemorate this, we are offering 9 holes with cart for only $9.11 per person, or 18 holes with cart for only $19.11. The owner of the course said the golf club began the promotion 2 years ago on the 10th anniversary of the attacks, and until now it had been warmly received as a way to ensure people never forgot the tragedy. He'd therefore add, "We're a little hurt by the fact that people are putting such a negative context on this."
No shit. I'm gonna get back to work.
It's
Okay. What was I doing? So I'm able to add a task now, but add a task, cool, complete task. Oh yeah, we want the section to refresh after we've completed a task. Wait, actually, I don't know if I want to create the, what's it again? Go back to completed user tasks. And completed task. Get back into here. Gonna remove that. Act like that never happened. I think I will have to keep these functions here though. Sucks, but it is what it is. Go back to add function. And we don't need to export these. We're sure to pass off these functions to complete. Delete task, and then we'll just do this, delete task. So if we refresh this, we're gonna for sure gonna get an error. What? Oh, I didn't save this. Cool, let's refresh this. Oh, we haven't clicked the button yet. Of course we're not gonna get the error yet. It's gonna say, what the hell is that? Doesn't know what the hell's going on. That's good, that's perfect. This we can remove, and props dot delete task. And okay, so that right there worked. Now let me do the same thing for completed task. And where is it at? So these are here work. These are good. And then for editing task, I feel like at this point I'm over engineering it. No, the editing, of course, editing a task is needed. What am I talking about? Back to here, go back to input form. I don't know what I've set this to. Did I set it to light? Yeah, I did. Let's change that. Okay, perfect. This is a task. I will edit that here, and I don't know how I want it to look. So this will be the state that it's in, but I'm gonna steal this real quick. Steal this whole layout here. I don't know what else I'm missing here. Excluding, wait, this right here should be full. Wait, full. Okay. Close this. This is a bit too much. So we can close. We'll deal with the styling later, but close this. Okay. Now I want to create the edit task button, but edit task. I think it's the title, right? Yeah, title. Title. It's gonna equal new task. No. So here will be new task. We'll get back into here. Check square on click. Wait, did I pass that in here? No, I haven't yet. Oh wait, we also have to we request for the new task. I have to throw my phone away. Kind of threw it a little far there, but what's it at? Okay. Yeah. On click. Props. Oh, I didn't pass it in. That's what I was talking about. Edit task. Okay, then we get back into here. Edit task. And we're gonna take the same information that we passed in here. But this time, we're also gonna have to add the new task. So if we refresh this, cool, we edit this, blah, blah, blah. I have been updated. We hit this. Come on. Okay, that explains nothing. That explained nothing. Did I pass that in here? Yes. Okay, so let's think this through. Go back to here, edit task, async, new task, update, updates task graph. So we can see task ID, UID, blah, 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 new task. trying to understand why it won't work. Task. If I close this, oh, I have to use my noggin a little bit. Wait, hold on. I gotta create another const. Which will be of the same structure as this, but wait, because I want the edit to be closed. So how would I do that? I would either have to create a function where I have to call in the same function and then have to set the edit to be closed, or I really shot for the stars. Hold up. Is there? I've never done this before. Is there a way to? You have to be able to call in two functions. Okay, it's a common question. That's great. I guess I have to create a whole new function. Skull. Close this, perfect. Now I need to create I'm going to create two tabs here. Where is it? I'm going to change this to wait. Remove that. Makes it look ugly. I'm going to keep that there for a little bit. Actually, I'm just going to keep that there for a while. And by a while, I mean forever. Until the project just doesn't work anymore. Wait, oh, I didn't create the confetti. npm confetti. There has to be something here. Canvas some confetti. You could pick the angle at which the confetti comes out. That's crazy. That's a nut. can I get like a demo of it? I really hope this works. Wait, I don't think I added. Wait, is the fire function already here? Wait, hold up. Should I? Where's my confefe? What do you mean? React canvas. I shouldn't have just thrown it into here. That's on me. React canvas, confetti. It's like, forget about this confetti. I don't need it. I don't need this. I'm trying to remove these. But good news, we still got the perfect. So edit still works. And that's a problem. That's a problem. So add function. I'm gonna do this in the roughest way possible. So if new task is already already its own thing. So if that should have worked. That should have worked. So if it doesn't equal that, wait, let me refresh this. You know what? It's not a bug anymore, it's a feature. I'd add that in there. Perfect. Now, what was the main issue that I wanted? Oh, something celebratory when people complete a task. It's so simple. That's so simplistic. I like that. So when someone completes a task, that they'll be within the complete card. Obviously doesn't know what that is, so I gotta go over here. And wait, I'm not gonna bring this into here. I'm gonna put this above. I'm gonna put this above the list. So again, doesn't know what the hell that is because I put it in the wrong goddamn file. Put this back into here. That's some good fefe. And let's just do this. Now where's completed task? Set. Wait, we just ensure I got it right. Yep. Set is. Then I want to set it back to false. The complete opposite. Okay, wait. Oh, wait. I'm tripping. Should be here. Partial count, duration, on complete. Set. Wait, but wait, is my chat here? Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Omo Ologo. I couldn't see your message before because my chat's kind of like messed up. So let me just put this over here on the side. Let me just respond to you. Okay. What was I? Okay, I'm trying to get this confetti to just work. It can't be that hard. There we go. Okay, that should work. We refresh. There should be no explosion. Hello. Add complete. Yeah. Yes. I live for this. And okay. So let me try it out with let me try and delete everything that I have here. So close this. So this account's already logged out. I can delete this document. This user doesn't exist now. And if I go into here, delete this. So that account does not exist anymore. It was never a thing. Hello. Add. I can edit this. This is me from the future. I could delete it. It's gone. Let's try that again. Hello. And after now, it's gone with the confetti. And that's a simple to-do app. I don't know what other features I could add within here. Oh, the completed side. I forgot. Almost forgot about that. Okay. Class name. Actually, I'm sure just set the names here. Current. And class name completed. And border. We want a border at the bottom. I'm gonna set this to 1. Oh. Text. I want that to be white. Font. I want it to match the title. And background, I'm gonna have it be white, but I want the background. Oh. Background opacity to be at, like, let's just say 45. PX2, PY4. Ew. It was a bit too much, you know. I'm trying to just leave it at 2. And I'm gonna set this to be 25 instead. And I'm gonna give us the same treatment, but it's a bit too much space. And const list. And this might have to be set to current. Where is it? And let's just see. List equals current. We'll do nothing to it, but if it does not equal current, we're going to set the opacity of the whole button to be 40, background transparent. We'll switch it around as we go, but I'm gonna ensure that I spelled that correctly. And I want the duration of this to be 3. So as they transition between each other. Now for this, on click. Set the list to be completed, and I'm going to do the same thing, but instead for current. Okay, good. And list equals current. Then we show this. If not, and then we map, if that isn't true, then we map out this task is not completed yet. Hmm. Yeah, but the current, so current works, but the completed side, I'm a little confused by that. Let me just decrease my camera size a little bit over here. Okay, so completed works. It has this right here. Why would it have that? Why would that be listed as an option here? If I go back to Firebase, press this. Document doesn't exist if not. That's weird. That's weird. It has to be weird. It doesn't know what the ID is. That doesn't make any sense. Go back to current. I can go over. Yo, that's weird. It's I don't know what that was. That was a good old bug. I don't think that's gonna happen again, right? It's not gonna happen again, right? It can't happen. It can't happen again. But this whole thing is weird. I don't. Okay, let's try this again. It's gonna tell me log out, and then we go back into here. Let's try and sign in once more. So nothing should be here. Hello. Only exists in the current side. That's good. If I hit it, it's completed. Where does this come from? Wait, to make this so this right here, we already got this. Get user task. Let's get back into here. User task, user task. They all have the exact same structure. That's on me. That's on me. That's my fault. That's my fault. Okay. How do I make this? How do I make this stupider? Actually, I'm gonna go back into here. I'm not gonna do anything wild, I promise. What I will do instead is I'll just make this a little bit simpler for myself. Rather than calling in the card, I'm just gonna take this. Doesn't exist. Cool, great. User task, and its title. Right. Now I'm gonna set the opacity to, let's just say 60, and this span right here, which is now a span, I'm gonna turn that into last name Tailwind. Line through, okay. Should just take that here. Perfect. And we hit complete, confetti, and we keep moving. And that's it. I think I'm done here. Well, it was a pleasure streaming for the 3 hours that I thought I was streaming, but it ended up being a bit less than that. But I'm gonna hop out here.